Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, guten tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders. Today we're going to discuss a trading system for trading a high impact economy news. All right. So today we know that we have a very high impact news, the non-farm employment change, all right here, and there were the previous figure was 203,000. The forecast was 216, all right, and the forecast and the actual figures is 288,000. So the previous job creation was 203,000. Today we have 288 new job creation, talking about the U.S. economy, the non-farm employment change. This is bullish for the dollar, all right, very, very bullish for the dollar. And we're going to talk about a trading system for trading high impact news. Over the year, when I start trading first, I was not paying attention to the economy news, and sometimes you will see this kind of tall candle like this, and you'll be wondering where this is coming from. My recommendation to traders is to combine the technical and the fundamentals. But I have also built a trading system to trade the high impact news at a low risk entry point. And I can show you again, I talked about it before at www.youtube.com/George Trio, George Trio channel. Subscribe to them and watch the video about no farm. Okay, check video about no farm. Okay, employment change on our YouTube channel, and talk about this trading system before. But I think it's very important, and I want to share it with traders because traders find it very, very difficult. The system is very simple. We use the MACD 834.9, not the standard. We are not using the standard MACD 12.26.9. We are using the MACD 834.9. If your software, your trading software does not allow you to change the setting for MACD, well, it's time to look for a better trading software, okay? Trading platform, very important, right? So you can change it 834.9. Here it is. It's very simple. You plot it on your chart and you go to the 3-minute chart. So the time frame for this trading system is 3-minute chart, not 1 minute, not 2 minutes, not 5 minutes, 3-minute time frame. Because I have tested many, many times and it's quite reliable. So MACD 834.9, 3-minute time frame, and you will wait 1 minute before the economy, the high impact economy news is due. You are on a 3-minute chart. If MACD 834.9 crosses above the signal line, you are a buyer. The reason why you shouldn't enter the trade earlier and wait until 1 minute before the news due is to avoid losing. All right, so you wait 1 minute before the news due. If MACD crosses above a signal line like this, you will enter the trade. Very important to wait until you are checking the clock. All right, so you see this news due today at 14:30 London time. Okay, that's 9:30. Okay, that's 13:30, 1:30 p.m. London time. That's 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. 1 minute before the news due, you follow MACD. So you place this trade here. Look at this on a 3-minute chart. So with this kind of trade, you can use 10 pip, 15 pip, low risk. Look at that. From the level of 10248, okay, the price went to 102.98. Beautiful, isn't it? All right. All right. More than 50 pips fast like this. This is it, the trading system for trading high impact news. This is the dollar yen. I want to show you what has happened also for the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair using this simple but powerful trading system. Why the system works? Because a very high impact economy news due, like non-farm employment change. This is a very high impact news. You don't want to use it for any economy news, but economies that's really, really volatile, all right? So you go to the, so before the news do, the market, the price will go in one direction, all right? So you want to know the momentum, is the momentum bullish at the time when the news is about to be released? So you want to follow the momentum because the price is going to go in one direction very fast. So it's crucial to use a momentum indicator. And the best momentum indicator that I'm using here is marked the 834.9. So at that point in time, what we are trying to do, we want to see, okay, the dominant force. We want to know what is the dominant force. So if market crosses above a signal line 1 minute before the news is about to be released, we know that the dominant force is likely to be bullish. And we don't want to fight it. It's just very simple. We don't want to fight it. We just follow it. And here it is. Boom, up. All right? But if market crosses below a signal line, it's telling us that the momentum at the point, at the time, just before the news is about to be released, is bearish. If market crosses, market 834.9 crosses below a signal line. So we just follow it. Because we don't want to fight the momentum. Here it is. This one was a bit tricky. You see here, this is not very good because MACD was above the signal line. You see, but if you understand clearly what is taking place here, you can be very careful. You see the blue line here. I will show you on the 4-hour chart. If you pay attention carefully, on the 4-hour chart, as I showed traders before in the video that I call how to trade the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. Same channel on YouTube, I was telling traders that we must give priority to sell signal for this currency pair, the Australian dollar, US dollar currency pair. And also, my lines are still here on the 4-hour chart. You see here, we have this bearish channel. So at the time when the news is about to be released, though on the 3-minute chart, my MACD crosses above signal line, the price was on the edge of this bearish channel. So myself, as I showed to traders before, talking about the trading zones, www.stochastic-macd.com, trading zones, we will prefer to buy above, okay, you see my green spot, above the declining channel. So in this scenario, traders that are more experienced will be very careful because they will know that the price is on the edge of this bearish channel. So the best scenario, maybe if you want to trade it, and you will place okay, a limit order above the declining channel. So if it's going to go up above the channel, you catch it from there instead of entering on the edge. And you see here, it just bounce on it and down. What was happening here, though on the 3-minute chart, the market 834.9, 1 minute before the news to release, it's above the signal line. The market was just pushing it on the edge of okay, the declining channel. And after that, they just drop it down. Let's go back now and look at the euro dollar currency pair and see whether this system has been successful or not. So this one is a bit tricky now for traders who do not use the higher time frame to see the general picture. Okay, so you want to buy, at least buy at a support level. Okay, so I'm looking now for the euro dollar currency pair. It's coming up. Are you with me? All right, very simple, isn't it? Very often traders are looking for some complicated trading system, and this complicated trading system, well, they fight the market most of the time. We don't want to fight the market. All right. Here it is, the euro. 1 minute before the news is about to be released, my MACD what? Okay, you want me to zoom into it? Yeah, it is. The news was released. Yeah, you see. Yeah, this is 8:30 here. What MACD was below a signal line, you see here, pew, down. All right, beautiful, isn't it? So price went down from the level of 138.62. Now here we are, 138.18. All right, more than 40 pips. All right, beautiful, isn't it? So you catch the dollar yen, you catch the euro USD. Let's look at another one. Okay, the pound dollar currency pair. Here it is. 8:30, we are on a 3-minute chart. So MACD was bending, trying to cross below the zero line, trying to cross the zero line, and also the signal line, you see here, was bending. You see, it crossed above the zero line, the signal line first, But at the time when the news is about to be released, it was getting bearish. Margin was coming down near, though it was still above, okay, the signal line. It was coming to cross it. What we are looking for, we want MACD to cross above at the time. So just like here, you see, when the news is about to be released, we want MACD to just not to be above it for some time. We want it to just cross it, as you see for the dollar yen, okay, to be crossing it, or just cross it, and 1 minute before the news is due, we enter the trade. But if it's already above it, as you see here for a long time, you need to watch it carefully. Here you see it was above it before, but at the time when the news is about to be released, it was bending. Of course, this system is not 100% okay, accurate. All we are looking for when we are using a trading system, we want at least okay, 60% okay, accuracy. Here, this system is more than 70% accurate. So, excellent trading system we can work with. And we want to pay attention to the price itself also, okay? So, you see here, the price was oscillating for the pound dollar. But as the news do 1 minute before, MACD was somewhere here. Here. This candle here. You see, pay attention to the vertical line. Okay, was just crossing it here. So, you would prefer to sell. It's beautiful because you're going to use a very tiny stop loss. 15 pip, 10 pip. If they take you out, usually, what usually take place, the brokers will increase, okay, the stop loss. So they won't allow you to use 10 pip. They may not. Sometimes some brokers will change it. Will say to you, no, they will ask you for 40 pip. They will ask you for 50 pips stop loss. They won't allow you to use a tiny stop loss. If you are doing that, okay, control it carefully. Know what you are doing so they don't, okay, you don't end up losing big. All right. So this is just a very simple trading system, okay, to trade the high impact news. As always, no system is 100% accurate. Here it is. See here, all right, 8:30. This is the candle here. You see, MACD was above the signal line, but you see, it was coming down near it. Okay, it was coming down, was bearish, but before the news is about to be released, it started going up. So MACD was going down first. That before the news is about to be released, so we were here, 8:30. You see here, MACD changed direction, so it was going down, and then the momentum has changed. Pay attention to the direction of MACD itself. See here, it was going down, and 1 minute before the news is about to release, it changed direction, telling us that the momentum is bullish. And here it is, boom, up. You see now? Let's see whether the euro dollar, not very beautiful, and euro yen. Here it is again. Okay, the dollar yen, the euro yen. You see how beautiful it was. It just crossed it. That's what we want. It just crossed it. You see, and we wait 1 minute before the news release. Boom! You see, it ran fast from this level of 142.10, went up all the way to 142.44. You see, very, very fast. Now, when the news is released, now we go back and check, okay, the higher time frame. We don't want to hang around. We want to grab our profit and go. That's what you need to do. Exactly that. Take profit and go. All right? Don't hang around and give it back. All right? Don't get too excited about it. This setup is not very beautiful either. So you want to look for the best setup. Okay? Look at the best, mark the signal, and then take it from there like professional trader. Okay? Without blinking, of course. All right? Okay, this is the end of this video, just to show you this simple trading system. But before I close this video, if we want to download any of our system for free, go to www.stokastimani.com, click on document. Here it is where I'm moving my cursor, document, and I posted here some free trading systems, and you can download them for free. The system I'm talking about now is RTS 315, but I'm using the RTS 315 in a different way, okay, for this high impact news. All right, so all I want you to remember is mark the 8:34.9, okay, go to the 3-minute chart, okay, at the time when the news is about to release, 1 minute before the news due, follow MACD. You see that it was not straightforward for some of the currency pair, so you need to play with it, okay, to understand how one can use it, okay, more profitably, okay? All right, so go to www.stockagima.com, download the RTS315 training system for free. So when you click on documents, okay, it will ask you for your password, username, register for free straight away. It will ask you register for free, okay, and then re-log in straight away after you finish to register, log in again, and then download any of our training system here for free. These training systems are for day trading and scalping. All right, so attention to the economy news as I show you now. All right, the non-farm economy news is a high impact news at 10 a.m., which is 3 p.m. London time. We have another one here. Forex, this is factory orders. Okay, but the major economy, the highest impact, these are the red envelopes. Okay, and this one here. Okay, non-farm. Okay, employment change. Okay, thank you for watching, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. If you like the video, okay, please give us the thumbs up. If you don't like it, please do so. Have any comment, put it below. Any question, put it below, and we will get back to you. Thank you for watching, and we will speak to you very soon. We are the TSTW 24 traders.